स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल एडवांस एक्सेल ट्रिक्स में। तो आज हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं टेक्स्ट फार्मूला। ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स के जो आपके सामने फार्मूलाज हैं, अपर केस, लोअर केस, प्रॉपर, ट्रिम और प्रॉपर प्लस ट्रिम का कॉम्बिनेशन। एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन हाउ विल यूज इट, एंड ट्रिम एंड प्रॉपर का कॉम्बिनेशन हाउ यू विल यूज इट. So let's start this. Suppose if we have employee name in our company like this. Say here we have a few problems like space is given, lots of space is given, and that is random. Second thing is, technically if we'll see, so this R first letter should be the capital letter, and this S for Shah, it should be capital. So the moral of the story is that in this given data, these are not written in proper format. Now I'm not directly jumping onto the conclusion, but I'm showing you step by step that how you learn it, and it will be helping you to use all this in a multiple combined way. So let's start, see how you can use it. So firstly, we are starting with the uppercase. It's very simple formula. Upper, open parenthesis, then you just select the text, close the bracket, press enter. Now see, upper and drag it down to the bottom. You see, all the letters are now the capital letter, but is it works? No. Do we really wanted to write like this only? And space bar is also, you can see, given here. So what else? Lower, go for the lower formula, open parenthesis. Again we have selected the text, close the bracket, pressed enter. Again just drag it down. So see here, again all the characters are in lowercase, small letter. But you see what exactly we need. We were needed that R capital from this first Rahul and rest AHUL in small letter. We wanted this. We never wanted to write it either in full capital or in full lowercase, small letter. So see, coming on to the proper is equal to proper. Open parenthesis, select the text, close the bracket, press enter. Now see, there are another one thing that it has written your name properly. You see, Rahul Shah properly, Payal Mehta properly it has written, Rita Shah properly. But see, there is another challenge that we have here is, in case of Rahul Shah, space bar, which is here, space that has been given additional space before the Rahul and in between Rahul and Shah, you see like this. Even proper formula is unable to remove this space bar. You see, it is here, space bar, it was not removed by the proper formula. So see what else, go for the another formula, that is trim. Again open parenthesis, select the text, close the bracket. Now it has trimmed. So see, if we'll see, just drag it down to the bottom to get the full result for the table. Now if we'll see, trimmed has removed the back space. You see, even if we'll increase the space and pressing enter, it has impacted on upper and lower because those were not dealing with the space, additional space, but it has not impacted on trim. Getting my point? So coming back here, removing some additional space that I have, like not all of them, but a few more what I have additionally inserted just to make a fit onto the display. So see here, we have two things. Proper has written it proper, but proper formula was not dealing with the additional space. Second, trim formula has trimmed the additional space, but it is not dealing with the proper writing of these words like capital and small letter, the combination of this. Now here the magic comes. Go for the combination of proper plus trim is equal to proper, open parenthesis. Now it is asking for the text here. Don't go here. Again, put a formula of trim. So what Excel will do? Excel will firstly make it proper, then trim it. Okay. We have selected this text which is asking. Now close the bracket. Now proper text. Again we'll have to close it again because we have used two formula. So see, I have closed the bracket twice and I'm going to press the enter in front of you just so you can see. Now proper plus trim has given you the result what we were seeking for. So by using this combination, if we have used proper first, then MS Excel is going to make it proper, then trimmed at last. Similarly, if we are going to trim first, trim, open parenthesis, then it is asking for the text. Instead of this, we are making it proper. So see, in this what happened? Again, open parenthesis. Now, for the proper, we have given the text. Okay. Then close this twice. Again, similar result. In this case, we have got the similar result. Now it is in your hand. Either you want to use it proper plus trim or trim plus proper. It is in your hand. So see, you can use this formula to write all these kind of the name, text or anything as you want. Suppose somewhere if you want to make all the things capital, you can use uppercase formula only if a space issue is not required, additional spaces are not given. If you want to write it only in lower format, go for it. If you want to write only proper, definitely. If you want to just trim, that you have to just remove the additional backspace which is given there, you can use this, or you can use these combos. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and I would request that use this advanced tricks and tips what I'm sharing with you in your day-to-day work so you can be even more productive and be awesome.